So now we are going to start exercise 2.3, question number 1. First, 1 by 4 of 3 sub questions are there. Okay, so 1 by 1 we are going to solve A. For A we are going to solve 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. Okay, so you know how to solve this 1 by 4. Replace this off by multiplication sign and 1 by 4. Numerator multiplied by numerator and denominator multiplied by denominator. 1 upon 1 ones are 1 and 4 fours are 16. So this is the answer for A. Now B. 1 by 4 of what is B? 3 by 5. So how to write this? 1 by 4 multiplied by 3 by 5. 1 into 3, numerator into numerator upon denominator into denominator. 4 5s are 20. Can you reduce it? No, it will remain as it is. Now C, 1 by 4 of, what is C? 4 by 3. So how to write this? 1 by 4 multiplied by 4 by 3. So numerator multiplied by numerator is 4 upon 4 3s are 12. So reduce it, 4 1s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So 1 upon 3. In this way, this is the solution for first. Now, second question. Multiply and reduce to lowest form if possible. Where it is possible, there you have to reduce it to its lowest form. So see first, 2 by 3 multiplied by 2 by 3 means 3 2s are converted into improper fraction. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8 upon 3. Now solve this further. Multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 2 8s are 16 upon 3 3s are 9. Can you reduce this? No, you cannot reduce this. So leave it as it is. Now next. 2 by 7 multiplied by 7 upon 9. Okay. So solve this, or see here you can cancel this 7 by this 7. So what will remain here? 2 by 9. So this is the answer. And here if you want, so you can convert it into a mixed fraction, that is 9. Okay. 9 ones are 9 and 9 plus 7 is 16. So 1 7 by 9. Now next, that is third one. 3 by 8 multiplied by 6 by 4. So write it as it is. Now solve this. How to solve this? Multiply numerator by numerator. 3 6s are 18 and 4 8s are 32. Now check whether you can reduce it to its lowest form. Yes, because numerator and denominator both are divisible by 2. So divide both by 2. 2 9s are 18 and 2 1s are 2. 1 remain, 2 6s are 12. So 9 by 16. Next, 9 by 5 multiplied by 3 by 5. So how to solve this? 9 3s are 27. Numerator multiplied by numerator upon denominator into denominator. 5 5s are 25. If you want, you can convert it into mixed fraction. So how you will convert this? Write down this 25 as it is. 25 ones are 25 and 25 plus 2 is 27. So 1 2 by 25. This is the solution. Now next, fifth one is 1 by 3 into 15 by 8. So write down as it is. Now numerator into numerator, 1 15s are 15 upon 3 8s are 22. Now check, can you reduce it to its lowest form? Whether numerator and denominator are divided by the same number. Check here. If you are dividing it by 2, so denominator is divisible but the numerator is not divisible by 2. So check for 3. Yes, it is divisible by 3. Both are divisible by 3. So divide both by 3. 3 5s are 15 and 3 8s are 24. So the answer is 5 by 8. So in this way, second question is completed here. Now next, which is greater? Okay. Okay, 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. So first we will solve 1 by 1 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. Okay, so how to solve this? 2 by 7, instead of writing the multiplication sign and then this 3 by 4 as it is. So solve this. 2 3s are 6 and 7 4s are 28. Okay, so now reduce this, divide this by 3 or 2, 2 3s are 6 and 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 3 by 14. Okay, now B, 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. So replace of by multiplication sign. Okay, now cancel this 5, you can cancel it. So what is remaining here? 3 by 8. Now you have to compare 3 by 14 and 3 by 8. Which fraction is greater? So how you will compare? Write down this 3 by 14 and here this 3 by 8. See if the numerators are same. देखो इनके numerator same है, दोनों के numerator है 3 and denominators are different. तो जब ऐसे केस होता है या फिर इस टाइप का कोई एग्जाम्पल रहता है, what you have to do there, when numerators are same, तो जिस फ्रैक्शन का डिनोमिनेटर ग्रेटर है that is smaller, means जब भी न्यूमरेटर सेम है और जब उस फ्रैक्शन का इन दोनों में से जिस फ्रैक्शन का डिनोमिनेटर ग्रेटर रहेगा, see here 14 is greater than 8, so this fraction is smaller than this 3 by 8. So in this way we have compared this. So 3 by 14 is less than 3 by 8.